In this lesson, I will talk about one variable equation. The question is, there are three continuous numbers. The sum of these numbers is 120. The question for what are these numbers? Now, let us to solve this problem. Let the first number be x. The second number, because they are continuous number, so the second number is x plus 1. The third number is x plus 2. Because the sum of these numbers is 120, so first number plus second number plus the third number is 120. Now, we need to solve this one variable equation to get these numbers. X plus x plus x equals to 3x. We need to keep the x term, unknown variable, to the left side of the equation and move the number to the right side of the equation. The positive 1 move to the right side of the equation, change it to negative 1. Positive 2 move to the right side of the equation, change it to negative 2. 120 plus 120. So 3x equals to 117. X equals to 117 divided by 3, which is 39. So the first number is 39. The second number is x plus 1, which equals to 39 plus 1 equals to 40. So the second number is 40. The third number is x plus 2, which is 39 plus 2, which is 41. So the third number is 41. Thank you for watching.